to the You Can Be Healthier TV channel and my Cooking with Bella series, where we are going to be cooking up a storm. I'm Bella Lee, the host, and I'm going to teach you how to make some easy recipes that anyone can make, including teens like me. One of my favorite desserts that I also love to make because it's so easy is bread pudding. Plus it uses up stale old bread so that it doesn't go to waste. You can add just about any type of bread or even leftover waffles or whatever is similar to bread so that you can use it up and not let it go to waste. Bread is delicious, but it doesn't have the best reputation for being healthy. However, it can provide many health benefits, including fiber, especially wholemeal bread, because it can help with digestion, blood sugar, and cholesterol levels, and it makes you feel full for longer. Vitamins and minerals. Bread contains many vitamins and minerals, including B vitamins and folate, which can help with energy, skin, eyes, nails, and pregnancy. Bread also contains calcium and iron, which can help with bone and teeth health. It also contains protein, which is important for growth, renewal, and repair. It contains complex carbohydrates for energy, digestion by breaking down carbohydrates into simple sugars, which make it easier for the body to absorb nutrients, heart health by reducing bad cholesterol levels, and it makes it a heart-healthy choice. Lastly, it has glycemic index. Brown bread can make it a good choice for people with diabetes, heart conditions, or people who are obese.
For the ingredients, we need enough of any type of bread to fill a pan like this, 2 cups of whole milk, 4 eggs, 1 teaspoon of vanilla, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, 2 teaspoons of butter, half a cup of raisins, and half a cup of sugar, and some ice cream to serve. Now rip up the pieces of bread to create a more surface area. Drizzle the melted butter over it. Sprinkle the raisins. Let's make the liquid ingredients. Crack 4 eggs. And whisk them up. Add in half of a cup of sugar. Add in 2 cups of milk. Add in 1 teaspoon of cinnamon and 1 teaspoon of vanilla. And mix it all together. Now pour the liquid mixture all over the bread to soak it up. Mix up the bread so it gets all of it covered and place it into the fridge for an hour. In a preheated oven at 375 degrees Fahrenheit, place the bread pudding for 45 minutes until it's cooked through. That's it. Foolproof, delicious bread pudding each time. This recipe is so delicious. You guys have to give it a try.